Attention women! Put this on your skin and see what you get. An unwanted hair can vary the size and thickness of the woman and the woman, but most often it agrees to remove it. Currently there are many ways to get rid of the unnecessary hair and to get a gentle and beautiful skin. However, most of these techniques are painstaking and often quite costly. Fortunately, hair removal without a hair loss has natural constituents, and it's easy to do so without making a lot of money. Natural hair removal techniques are very easy. Removing the hair without getting too long does not get good results. Before choosing any technique, you must comply with your application to get good results. Try this homework and retire unwanted hair. Sodium bicarbonate. Naturally, the tape should be done every night before bedtime and stress should be achieved. What should you do? Spoon into a glass of baking soda. Stir and cool. In a solution soaked in a piece of cotton or gas and apply to the unnecessary hair. 2. After the removal of the wrists the next morning, apply moisture to prevent moisture in the area. 3. You can see the results after using 2 or 3 days. The removal of this hair removal method is one of the most popular in the world.